I'll have a look at this one. Thank you. I can see. Hi everyone. Are you Isaac?
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you. Are you a big Liverpool fan?
Yeah.
Can I sit over here with you as well? Who's that?
Van Dijk.
Oh, is that a good player?
Yeah.
A very good player or a good player?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I've never played that. I've brought a friend with me as well. You want to see him too?
Yeah.
How are you?
Good.
Sure.
It looks like me, huh?
Yeah.
That doesn't look like
Virgil.
We're gonna have a surprise. Do you want to come with us? Your mummy and daddy are coming with us as well. Look.